oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dream that you dare to, oh why can't I? Oh, someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Trouble melts like a lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me.
Mother was someone I could always count on for advice or words of encouragement. Her faith in God and her family was unshakable. Even when her health was failing, when I came by, her first concern was how was I doing, or if I wanted something to eat. She was slow to anger and quick to forgive. Even when at 7 years old I accidentally lit the palm tree in our backyard on fire, she didn't get all that angry. I love you, and I'm going to miss you, Mother.
So this video is filmed in the house that my parents built. The family lived here for many, many, many years. And about 4 years ago, my wife and I had the opportunity to move back from living overseas and move back in with Mom. And it was a good arrangement for us, and it was a good arrangement for her. And I can honestly say that the last 4 years probably are the most memory-filled years that I can think of. We had so many laughs together, went on drives, shared almost every meal together. My mom had a great sense of humor. Anybody who knew her knew that. My dad did too. So I don't know why I'm not a comedian. I probably should be.
I'm Orman, and what I remember most about my mom, and am going to miss most about my mom, is just her easy outlook on life. She seemed to find humor in just about everything. Very positive, very encouraging, just a good spirit to be around. As a kid, she was a stay-home mom, so always dinner for us. She'd always make some of the best lunches for school. Remember, there's so many of us that she would do an assembly line just to make up all the sandwiches for us. She used to enjoy reading, enjoyed westerns. Some of the other stuff that I'm really going to miss also are going to be what we call maybe some more momisms. And you all know what I'm talking about because it's stuff that you hear over and over growing up. But if one of us is in a bad mood, it's because we either woke up on the wrong side of the bed or we were on the prod, whatever that means. Growing up, we would be in the house playing at our old home, and she would come in first thing, "You guys have been roughhousing." And she knew that. She's right, we'd been wrestling around, but we had shag carpeting, and I guess she'd smell the dust or whatever moms can smell, and she knew that, you know, we'd been roughhousing. Other things, go outside and play was one of her favorites, especially when we got to be a little too rambunctious or something. And that's all great until you remember the reason you're inside is because you got in trouble outside with some of the neighbor kids. Got a little bit older, stuff that didn't really feel like doing on the weekends. Sure enough, she'd come through with, "Well, you can't hoot with the owls all night and soar with the eagles all day." And So lots of great memories. Thanks, Mom. Thanks for all the love. Look forward to seeing you again someday in heaven.
Over the rainbow, way